Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're someone who frequently shares documents, presentations, or PDFs through Google Drive, especially sensitive materials or copyrighted content, you might not always want the people you're sharing with to download or distribute your files. Thankfully, Google Drive offers a simple but powerful feature that helps you control what others can do with your shared files. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to disable the download, print, and copy options for viewers and commenters of your files on Google Drive using a desktop browser. Let's get started. First, open your browser, then go to drive.google.com and log in to your Google account. Navigate to the file you want to protect. This can be a Google Docs document, a PDF, a video, or any other type of file that you're sharing. Right-click on the file, and then click on Share. A window will appear showing who the file is currently shared with. If it's not yet shared, you can click Copy Link or add people and groups to begin the process. Once sharing is set, click the small gear icon in the top right corner of the sharing window. This opens the settings panel. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see two options. Editors can change permissions and share. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. To prevent downloads, uncheck the second option. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. This will block others, who only have viewing or commenting access, from downloading, copying, or printing the file. Back and click Done to save your changes. Now, if you want to share the file, click Share again. Set link access to anyone with the link if needed, and ensure that the access level is set to viewer or commenter, not editor. Copy and send the link. Keep in mind, editors will still be able to download or copy the file, so only give editor access to trusted people. Controlling file access is essential, especially in education, business, or when you're sharing exclusive content. With just a few clicks, Google Drive lets you decide what others can or cannot do with your files. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.